Ranbir Singh, please, can you explain us what is Dharat Mahat Yog?
Yes, Harjit, as we are trying to discuss all the 5 components which Guru Nanak Dev Ji said in Slok Pawan Guru Pani Pita Mata Dharat Mahat. So, why Nanak said Mata Dharat Mahat? Because from the womb of the earth, every nutrition, everything we eat comes from the earth. With the help of sun rays, every food we are indirectly or directly, even the milk we drink, also indirectly coming from the earth. Now we think that is coming from cow or buffalo. So one should know that what should be eaten. Nature's products are more beneficial to the human body. So Nanak says, Kudrat kaman kaha vichar, varya na jawa ikwa. Nature is the expression of that ultimate one, Almighty, Vaheguru. So he has produced vegetables, fruit, so many things to eat, but it's a tragedy that when we have a cooking gas, we have all the equipment, we are changing the food drastically in a negative way. We are not eating the healthy food. We are eating just to improve the taste of our mouth. We are changing it, and that's why not in India, but throughout the world, there are so many lifestyle diseases, from obesity to hypertension, from diabetes to cancer, you name any disease.
So the key point is that the food, the proper diet, can be one of the best cures.
Yes, of course.
For different diseases.
It's true that if we will make our food, our medicine, then we will not have to eat so many medicine. Nanak says, Jete dane ann ke jiyan baaj na koi. Even the grains are living thing. As Nanak said, water is living thing. So we should be conscious about that. We should go for natural diet.
Yes, so if you, I know this is a very wide subject.
Yeah.
Again, we could talk about it long, but if you could give the people who listen to us some tips.
The only thing I advise to the general public and to my patient that one should go for the living food. One should understand what is the living food and what is the dead food. All the vegetable, fruit are the living thing, but we are in the habit of frying it and changing its nature. So when everything is fried at say 100 degrees centigrade or 400 degrees centigrade, that becomes dead. When we get inside it, again our body tries to make it live. So it's better to go for the live food. And live food contain, we have to use the foods as it comes from the earth. Most of the thing we can use in a raw form. All the food we can consume in a raw form. All the vegetable as a salad we can use in a raw form.
So as more as possible replace raw, replace the dead food with this living food.
Living food. So it's the point.
It does not mean completely give away the...
No, not completely. If the major portion of your diet is live food, the chances that you will not be suffering from any lifestyle disease.
And me personally, I'm from Poland, from Europe, which is not a very hot country. So I really envy you here in India because you have so many, so tasty vegetables, fruits, which we do not have in Europe.
Yes. So I think this message of Guru Nanak should reach to the millions, that all this thing, what the Nanak has said, that we have to unite with the nature. as closely as we will go away from the nature, we will suffer mentally, physically, and even spiritually too. Thank you.
Very good.
Satnam.